the video. So here, I'll run the system. So first, if the connection string is not yet established, so press F12 to set up the connection string. So provide the following information here and test and click save if successful. So I'll reset the connection string and go login sa and here I have shown you before that this is the new interface of the system, and I think this is better than the original one. So I have your stuff, category, and the same product, and I added here also a setting. So this company setting will reflect on the receipt in the header of the receipt. And also I have here the VAT setting, so just put the VAT%, so if how many VAT% you're countering. And first I will show you the daily sales report. So we have here, so I added an option here, user wise and invoice wise. So if you click by user wise, the sales will be grouped by username or staff name or user. So if you choose invoice wise, so the sales here or item will be grouped by invoice number. So these functions are not in the original one, so I just maximize this one, and I think these are better than the original one. And also stocks, so we have here select, you can select from starting or an end date and select which report, stocks in or stocks out. So I'll just first select the stocks in. So this is the sample of the report, the stocks in and the stock out here, or the sales, monthly sales, or the stock out sales here, the products. So as you can see here, the option here in the new